Welcome to this learning module on responsible AI with GitHub Copilot. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way organizations develop software, analyze data, automate operations, and solve business challenges. One of the most powerful AI tools available to developers today is GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered coding assistant that helps developers write code faster, generate tests, explain complex logic, and improve productivity. However, as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our daily work, it is equally important to understand how to use it responsibly. This course is designed to help developers, data professionals, business leaders, and policymakers understand both the opportunities and responsibilities that come with AI adoption. By the end of this session, you'll gain a clear understanding of responsible AI principles, learn how to identify AI-related risks, and discover how organizations can use GitHub Copilot safely, ethically, and effectively. Let's begin. Who should take this course? This course is valuable for a wide range of professionals. AI developers and engineers can learn how ethical considerations impact the design and deployment of AI systems. Data scientists and analysts can understand how to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI-driven decisions. Business leaders and managers can learn how to govern AI initiatives and establish responsible AI practices within their organizations. And policymakers and regulators can better understand the frameworks needed to promote safe and ethical AI adoption. Whether you're writing code, managing projects, handling data, or defining organizational policies, responsible AI is a shared responsibility. Why responsible AI matters? GitHub Copilot offers tremendous benefits. It can help developers complete tasks faster, reduce repetitive coding work, accelerate innovation, and increase productivity. However, every powerful technology comes with potential risks. AI systems can sometimes generate outputs that are incorrect, biased, insecure, or difficult to explain. For example, AI-generated code may contain security vulnerabilities or logic errors. An AI model trained on biased data might unintentionally create unfair recommendations. In some situations, AI systems may process sensitive information in ways that raise privacy concerns. Without proper oversight, these issues can affect individuals, businesses, and society. That's why organizations need governance frameworks, human review processes, and ethical guidelines to ensure AI is used safely and responsibly. What is responsible AI? Responsible AI is the practice of developing, deploying, and using AI systems in a manner that is ethical, trustworthy, safe, and beneficial to people. Every AI system is shaped by human decisions, from selecting data and training models to determining how users interact with technology. People remain at the center of every AI solution. Responsible AI ensures that these decisions are guided by important values such as fairness, security, inclusiveness, transparency, and accountability. The ultimate goal is simple: use AI to empower people while minimizing risks and unintended consequences. To achieve this, Microsoft and GitHub follow 6 core principles of responsible AI. Let's explore them one by one. Principle 1: Fairness. The first principle is fairness. AI systems should treat all individuals fairly and avoid discrimination. Imagine an AI system being used in healthcare, recruitment, or loan approvals. People with similar qualifications, financial situations, or medical conditions should receive similar recommendations and outcomes. To achieve fairness, organizations should review training datasets for bias, use diverse and representative data, test AI models across multiple user groups, monitor outputs continuously, apply controls when unfair outcomes are detected. For example, if an AI hiring system consistently favors one group over another, corrective action should be taken immediately. Fairness helps ensure that technology works equally well for everyone. Principle 2: Reliability and safety. The second principle is reliability and safety. For users to trust AI systems, they must perform consistently and safely. Reliability means the system behaves as intended and produces dependable results. Safety means minimizing unintended harm, whether physical, financial, emotional, or operational. When using GitHub Copilot, developers should always review generated code before deployment. While AI can be extremely helpful, it can occasionally produce inefficient or incorrect solutions. Organizations should rigorously test AI systems, evaluate unexpected scenarios, and continuously monitor performance. Reliable and safe AI systems help organizations innovate with confidence. Principle 3, Privacy and Security. The third principle is privacy and security. As AI adoption grows, safeguarding user data becomes more important than ever. Organizations must handle information responsibly and protect it from unauthorized access. Best practices include obtaining user consent before collecting data, clearly explaining how data is used, collecting only necessary information, removing unnecessary sensitive data, anonymizing personal information, encrypting data during storage and transmission. Organizations should also implement strict access controls, security audits, and key management practices. When developers use AI tools such as GitHub Copilot, they should always be mindful of the type of data being shared and ensure compliance with company policies. Protecting privacy is essential for maintaining trust. Principle 4. Inclusiveness. The fourth principle is inclusiveness. AI should empower every individual, regardless of background, language, geography, or ability. In a diverse country like India, this principle is especially important. An inclusive AI system should be accessible to people with disabilities, support multiple languages, respect cultural differences, work across different environments and infrastructure conditions. Examples of inclusive AI include screen reader compatibility for visually impaired users, voice-based interactions, language translation systems that support regional languages, technology that functions effectively even with limited internet connectivity. Inclusive AI ensures that the benefits of technology are available to everyone, not just a select few. Principle 5. Transparency. The fifth principle is transparency. Users should understand how AI systems function. While not everyone needs to know the technical details, organizations should clearly explain what the AI does, how it works, what data it uses, what limitations it has. Transparency also involves maintaining documentation, reporting mechanisms, audit logs, and validation processes. For example, when GitHub Copilot suggests code, developers should understand that the recommendation is AI-generated and requires human review. Transparency builds trust and helps users make informed decisions when interacting with AI systems. Principle 6. Accountability. The sixth and final principle is accountability. No matter how advanced AI becomes, responsibility always remains with people. Organizations, leaders, and developers must be accountable for the systems they create and deploy. This includes monitoring system performance, addressing identified risks, conducting regular audits, establishing governance processes, taking ownership of AI outcomes. When using GitHub Copilot, developers remain responsible for reviewing, testing, and approving generated code. AI can assist decision-making, but human judgment and accountability can never be replaced. Bringing responsible AI into everyday work. Responsible AI is not a one-time activity. It should become part of every stage of the development lifecycle. Whether you're using GitHub Copilot to generate code, create documentation, build tests, review pull requests, or solve complex technical challenges, it's important to combine AI assistance with professional judgment, ethical considerations, and organizational policies. Organizations that embrace responsible AI not only reduce risks, but also create greater trust among employees, customers, and stakeholders. Conclusion and key takeaways. Let's recap the key lessons from this module. Responsible AI helps ensure that AI systems are developed and used in ways that are safe, ethical, secure, transparent, trustworthy. We explored Microsoft's and GitHub's 6 responsible AI principles: fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, accountability. We also learned that while GitHub Copilot can significantly improve productivity and innovation, organizations must implement proper governance, oversight, and ethical practices to maximize benefits while minimizing risks. Remember, responsible AI is not just about creating intelligent systems. It's about creating systems that people can trust. As you continue your journey with GitHub Copilot and AI-powered development, Always place people, ethics, and accountability at the center of your decisions. Thank you for participating in this session, and we wish you success in your responsible AI journey.